The world's mightiest river, the Amazon, rises in the Andes Mountains in South America. As it journeys nearly 4,000 miles to the Atlantic Ocean, more than 200 streams join it. The Amazon has more water than the Mississippi, the Nile, and the Yangtze rivers combined. The Mississippi, Missouri, and the Nile are both longer than the Amazon, but they do not match it in size. At many places, the Amazon is too wide to see across. At its mouth, the Amazon is 150 miles wide and 200 feet deep. For all its great size, the Amazon is a lazy, sluggish river. After it leaves the mountains, it flows through flat land that is not very high above sea level. The river drops only 135 feet in its last 1,000 miles to the sea. Traveling up the Amazon is very different from traveling up the Mississippi or the Nile. The region through which the Amazon flows is hot and wet all year round. For hundreds and hundreds of miles, dense forest grows down to the edge of the river. The three chief cities on the river are 1,000 miles apart. Most of the other settlements are only small villages. Travel between the cities and villages is mostly by boat. There are few roads through the tangled forests. The Amazon is famous for its alligators. As boats go by, many logs lying on the bank slid off and dive under the water. These are the alligators. The muddy water of Amazon can be seen far out into the ocean. Once a sailing ship ran out of drinking water in the Atlantic about 50 miles from the mouth of the river. The captain begged for water from another ship. Dip it out of the ocean, he was told. He did, and the water was not salty. It was water from the Amazon that had not yet mixed with the salty water of the sea. Thank you very much.